Today I will talk about how can you start new messages on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you add new message. When you here can you select for channel or person here. So you just click on this sign, you just click here. For example, I'm going to add it to me here. So then here add something here, then you click in this sign, then it's going to send with you on your Slack app. That's all you have to do. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.